Once you have a purpose in creating a website, the next step is to think about a lot of questions. Then try to answer your own question. More Q&A means that more thought out your website will be. So at this point, I always like to use the 5W1H method that I've learned from my Writing 101 class back in college. And that is who, what, where, when, why, and how. So this is just basically a start, okay, to help you brainstorm and think of possible issues for the website. Okay, so let's look at some of these example questions. So for who, we may ask, so who do I want to attract to my website and why? And who can I ask for advice and why? Okay, and so for what do I want to build and why? So what color should I use and why? And what kind of message do I want to give my visitors? And what can my site provide? Okay, and for where, it may be, so where do I find the people to visit my site, and where do I get started? Where do I start doing it? Okay, and so when is a good time to start? Okay, and the answer is usually as soon as possible. Okay, and you may also ask, why do I want to do this? Okay, what's in it for myself? And why is my website going to be very unique? Okay, and then you may ask, how should I build it? Okay, and how should I start? How do I attract people to my site? These are all kinds of questions that you have to ask yourself before you start moving to the next step. Okay, you need to try to answer as many questions, come up with as many questions as possible, then try to answer them. Okay, if you can answer your own question, then the chances are you have a plan in your mind. Okay, you are constructing a plan in your mind, and that's the basics of asking questions. In later videos, we're going to actually answer some of these questions during our planning. Okay, and that's it for this screencast. Thank you.